Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I just got done speaking at Starr King School, K through 8 school, but I spoke to the 7th and 8th graders today. The main theme was leadership here in Carmichael, California. Beautiful day, sun shining, and got to meet a really awesome group of students. They were all ears, all hearts. Really took home what I spoke on, that we as leaders, not only as the older students in the school, being the role models for the younger students, but just in this world in general, we have this responsibility to show kindness, to be that change in the world that Gandhi's talking about, and to know that the time is always right to do what is right, as Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. has said. He also said that I have decided to stick with love because hate is too great a burden to bear. And so as true leaders, that are called to use our power and our influence, some of us that have a stronger voice than others, maybe have a better popularity status, that might have a little bit more weight when it comes to others that might follow us and follow our lead as we live each day out, that now we have even this greater responsibility to really show that compassion, because so many might look up to us and start following us. And so we can be that voice for the voiceless and the hope for the hopeless. One of the bracelets that I talked about, I wear a lot, that students give to me, that say that I touch their heart during my assembly. But the one that really did a couple years ago was from a student that gave me it, and it says, "I am a sign of hope." And that's what all of us can be, to be that light to someone's heart, help them see that they're beautiful, that we see people's heart before anything else, or like the shirt says, "One race human," see people as human beings before anything else too. And that we see everybody as true miracles, the M on all of our palms, M for miracle, upside down, W for worthy, that we truly do see our value. And once we do see that, know that we're good enough, we go help other people see that they're great enough too, be the light to their hearts as true leaders. So thanks again, Starr King, for touching my heart. Hope to see you guys again soon. You guys are beautiful. You're etched in my heart always. Much love. Peace.